to Let's Play Piggy's Way!
I'm changing my video here and pet my unicorn because her arm hurts. So, sue, Piggy.
Rainglow is hurt! Piggy to the rescue!
Get out of here! Get out of here! I can do it by myself. Let's play Emma's Way. Oh my god. Hey guys, her arm hurts. You hear them? See this? We gotta get this out of here so it can help us.
Hi friends, and welcome to my show.
This is my show.
This
now
is
get
my
out!
show.
Get out! Get out of here!
We have
Get out of here! Get out of here!
We have the Rainglow Unicorn Vet Set.
Hey friends, I'm gonna get Rainglow out of the box so we can fix her up, and she's really hot, so let's get her fixed up.
With my help.
You can help a little, but I'm gonna do a lot. Oh guys, so I just got her out of the box and she is pulling and being upset. So I'm gonna put the dream cream and the magical bandage on. So right here, I'm gonna twist it and then.
Oh my God! What did you do to her?
Be quiet.
What did you do to her?
She still looks upset. Let me check her temperature.
Check her temperature! She's burning up! She's burning up!
Okay.
Oh no! Give her some uni drops!
Can you just be quiet, Pig? Thanks.
It's Miss Piggy, you.
Okay. Oh no, a heartbeat stuff is kind of sad and upset and not good. She's still sick, so I'm gonna use this for medicine. And you don't have to tell me.
Those uni drops are good, huh? It's okay, Rainglow. Miss Piggy here.
She's all better. She looks so better. So I hope you have a good time watching this video, and thank you so much, extra so much, to you, Moose Toys. I'm so happy that I got this little unicorn. She loves when I do this. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Let's play Emma's Way.